Hi kids! Welcome to our ABC learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn all the letters from A to Z. Let's get started.
A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for line. M. M for monkey. N. N for nuts. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for wolf. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.